Want to upload the timetable for all classes in one go? With BestoLMS, it's simple and efficient. Let's see how you can do it step by step. Before you begin, make sure you've already added your classes, subjects, and teachers, since the timetable upload process depends on them. Now, go to your dashboard and click on Excel Import from the top tab. Since we're adding a timetable, download the Timetable Excel template from here. This template comes with a set of instructions and validations. Be sure to follow them carefully to ensure a smooth and error-free upload. Now, start filling in the timetable details for each class. Class name, day of the week, start time and end time, subject name, teacher's username, room number, academic year, and semester. Once you've filled all the details, save the Excel file. Head back to your BestoLMS dashboard. Select the Timetable Import template and upload your Excel file. After uploading, check the summary. If all indicators are green, that means your data has passed all validations successfully. Finally, click on Import Records, and you're done. All your timetable entries are now perfectly added to the system, class-wise and error-free, quick, structured, and effortless. That's BestoLMS, your all-in-one academic management solution.